3:38.09, the championship record set in 2009 by Jamaica. Very much so. In lane number 6, they have Amaris Munia on the opening leg. Grenada on the inside in lane number 1. Looks like Amaya Chandler, who is leading off for them.
On your marks.
The Bahamas in 2.
We did see Heidel going under 334 earlier this year at Champs. But that team, of course, not entirely under 17.
Off they go. 4x4 final for under 17 girls. Grenada, Bahamas, St. Lucia, Barbados, Jamaica, Bermuda, Trinidad and Tobago, and Turks and Caicos Islands. The Jamaicans have gone out well. Britannia Bailey on the opening leg for them. She flies through 200 meters. Trinidad and Tobago moving well in lane number 7 too. Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago showing best of all as they go through 300 on this first leg. Barbados, Bahamas and Bermuda all battling for the bronze medal. Still early days in this final. Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica. Trinidad and Tobago just behind Jamaica. And the Jamaicans fly away on the second leg with the 400 champion Nastasia Fletcher. Won the 400 hurdles as well. Double champion here at Carifta. Bahamas going really well on this second leg.
Alexis Roberts there for the Bahamas.
Well, she is well behind Nastasia Fletcher and Jamaica at this stage. Alexis Roberts in the 200 final for Bahamas.
Dania Skeet as well, making up ground for Barbados.
Jamaica well clear. Bahamas right there with them. A fine race ensuing here. I think it's Kevin Gay Fowler, the 800 champion, is it, who is on this leg for Jamaica, but the Bahamians flying.
Jasmine Thompson takes over the lead.
200 meters to go on this leg.
At least momentarily.
The Jamaicans open the gap once again.
Battle on for third place as well. Trinidad and Tobago joining Barbados.
Jamaica in front.
Hand over to Trisha Lee Sutherland.
Sutherland in the 400 final for under 17 girls. Here she is anchoring her country. And even with 200 meters to go, it looks as if it will be gold. The Bahamas in second position. Trinidad and Tobago in third. They are setting up well for their hosting of Carifta, Trinidad and Tobago. But Jamaica dominant again. They want to sweep the 4x4 relays. They didn't do it at 4x1. And this is a fabulous way to start. They won't get the record. Trisha Lee Sutherland, though, well clear of the rest. Jamaica win gold in the under-17 girls 4x4s. Hands aloft, Bahamas silver, and it's Barbados with the bronze. Trinidad and Tobago finishing in fourth.
Jamaica continues to assert itself as a powerhouse in track and field, particularly in youth competitions like the 2024 Carifta Games. The recent under-17 girls 4x400m relay highlighted their immense talent, as they delivered a commanding performance to claim gold. Right from the opening leg, Jamaica displayed its dominance, with Britannia Bailey setting an electrifying pace. Despite early resistance from Trinidad and Tobago, the Jamaican squad maintained firm control throughout the race. On the second leg, 400m champion Nastasia Fletcher took over, extending Jamaica's lead even further. Alexis Roberts of the Bahamas made an attempt to narrow the gap, but Fletcher's speed and experience kept her comfortably ahead. By the third leg, 800m champion Kevin Gale sustained Jamaica's dominance, though Jasmine Thompson of the Bahamas briefly surged ahead. However, the Jamaicans quickly regained the lead, reasserting their superiority on the track. In the final leg, Trish Lee Sutherland anchored the race, securing a decisive victory for Jamaica. The Bahamas finished in second place, while Barbados took bronze. Despite a strong effort, Trinidad and Tobago fell just short of the podium. Jamaica's triumph in the 4x400m relay underscored their seamless teamwork and exceptional baton exchanges, both crucial elements in relay success. Beyond the 4x400m relay, Jamaica excelled across various events at the Carifta Games, securing victories in the 100m, 200m and 4x100m relay. Their consistent high-level performances at the junior level underscore the strength of their athletic development programs. While still young, these athletes are already delivering world-class performances, offering a glimpse into the future of track and field. A key factor in Jamaica's sustained dominance is its ability to develop elite male and female sprinters. While many Caribbean nations produce talented athletes, Jamaica has a unique system that fosters speed from an early age. The country's deep-rooted commitment to track and field has led to a rich legacy of sprinting excellence, and these emerging athletes are continuing that tradition. Reflecting on the broader track and field season, the 2024 Paris Olympics left Jamaican fans with mixed emotions. Although the nation has historically produced some of the world's greatest sprinters, performances in Paris fell short of expectations. Some fans even speculated about possible unfair management of certain events. Despite any disappointments, Jamaica's rising stars are proving their potential, ensuring a bright future for the nation in track and field. As the new season nears, optimism surrounds Jamaica's continued success in the sport. With a new wave of promising athletes emerging, the country remains a dominant force in sprinting. Fans eagerly anticipate the next major competitions, where Jamaica will once again aim to dominate the sprints and relays. Whether in junior or senior categories, Jamaican athletes continue to inspire, showcasing their exceptional talent on the global stage.